Hello, I am going to show you the animation that you need to see for this part of the lesson that I could not figure out how to get to work on the TV without my computer. So you should see the animation up here. The purple line of dots right here is similar to, you remember when we were using the waves on a string animation a couple of lessons ago as we were studying waves. This purple line represents the high points in the electromagnetic wave for a microwave that is coming out of the microwave. Over here, that little box right there represents the waveguide, and here's the wave as it's coming out. The line that's right across the middle that my arrow is hopefully pointing at that you can see represents an electric field of 0. So the down arrows show right here, that first part, show an increasing electric field and then a decreasing downward electric field. Then we have an increasing upward electric field and then a decreasing upward electric field. And then that continues on. So as I go slide by slide, the wave that you see here is going to advance one square. It's going to make its way across, and then it is reflected off of the far wall of the microwave. You will then see that that reflected wave starts to move back from the left side to the right side so that the electric field arrows begin to overlap with the wave that is still coming into the wall. Whenever waves overlap, they superimpose on each other, which means that their heights will add and subtract. So hopefully this illustration will show you what is happening inside of a microwave oven. So here you go. I will now advance this. Okay, that's the end of the slides. Before I go any farther and stop this recording, I want to point out that there seem to be some spots like right here and right here and right here where the combined amplitudes of the electric field arrows always added up so that we got 0. And then there were some other spots where the combined arrows always added up so that we got these really big and exaggerated values. Like here at point 17, you see we have a maximum height. And then here at column 13, you'll notice that the height is always 0. And then again, in column 9, the height is always at a maximum. So I'm going to run it backwards. This is it backwards as fast as it'll go. We'll get to the beginning. Now we're going to run it forwards again, but a little more slowly. So you see we get to the edge. Now we're starting to reflect. And you see that those arrows right at the edge are adding so that we get a maximum at that spot. Okay? And we're starting to also get a minimum right here. So that's a spot where the waves add together so that they're always 0. Okay? So the original waves, I went backwards right here, the original waves are coming in orange and the reflected waves are going out in blue. And then just running this forward quickly, that shows you how that behaves. Okay?